Hey, good morning to another episode of Coffee with Electricians. Did you know that this is the only YouTube channel that is 100% dedicated to electricians and electrical contractors to level up your business and level up in the trade to make more money with tips, tricks, advice, and just the things that I've done over the years to help you to be successful in your business. In this video, let's talk about 2023 because it's coming. And are you ready for it? Should you become an electrician in 2023? Should you continue doing what you're doing as an electrical contractor in 2023? Let's talk about it. Well, believe it or not, the channel is going to officially be 1 year old in November. That is amazing to me. I can't believe it. Now, we opened the channel maybe 2 years ago, or maybe not much longer than that, but I never dedicated to posting till about November of last year. That's when I started coaching. That's when I started thinking about my marketing courses and thinking about my paperwork courses, all available, by the way, at www.the360electrician.com. But this November will be our 1 year anniversary, and I'm thinking about doing some big things for you. If you've gotten anything out of this channel in the past year, could you consider subscribing, smashing the like, and the little bell icon so every time I put a video out, you can get notified. Now, 2023 is around the corner. I've got some videos for 2022 that you should look at because almost everything I said, unfortunately, and sometimes fortunately, came true. Like PVC. I warned you guys about PVC pricing. I warned you guys about inflation and all that good stuff, and it all came true. Well, here's my predictions for 2022. If you disagree or you agree, leave a comment down below. Where do you think we're going in the electrical trade? But first and foremost, for you guys that are just become electricians or thinking about being electricians in 2023, should you do it? Well, the answer in the short is absolutely. And here's the two fields that I think that you should go for right away because I know they're hiring and they're going to keep growing in 2023. Number one is the EV market, whether that's on the commercial side, installing all these big EV charging stations and units, or the residential side where people are asking electricians to put in their EV chargers for their personal vehicles. Find a contractor that does EV. I'm sure they're busy and I'm sure they're going to be hiring for 2023. Second sector, even bigger than EV, is the solar market. Have you guys looked into it? Solar is not that hard. A little bit more dangerous if you're not careful because you're on a roof, but it's not that hard and it is growing. Reach out to solar electrical contractors that have a C10 or an electrical license in the state that you're in. C10 is California. Don't go work for just a solar contractor who only has a solar license because you might not get credit for a C10 or an electrical license when you're ready to jump ship and become an electrical contractor like us. So for those of you that are electrical contractors, what's 2023 look like? Well, I've talked to a lot of you guys that have all your eggs into one basket. I need that basket to start breaking apart. It's okay if they're smaller baskets, but you cannot be super heavy in new construction right now in 2022 when it was booming and expect it to be the same in 2023. Some markets will continue booming. I don't want to hear the comments, well, it's booming where I'm at. Sure, we have some markets that are still going to be booming in 2023. Montana is one of those. People are always going to look to move here after all this craziness. But I'm talking about if you're in Texas, I'm talking about if you're in Florida. Well, Florida right now, you're going to be busy as heck. We pray for all you guys down there. Hey, if you're an electrician from Florida, comment down below what's going on down there. Let us know on the channel. But what you want to do is you want to get out of one specific market and you want to start diversifying. So if you're all in on new construction, start moving into service. If you're all in on service, get yourself that one or two big new construction commercial or residential jobs so that you know you got checks going right into 2023 and beyond. Okay. Last but not least, we're going to do a bunch of videos on this. So this isn't the only one. That's why I need you to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Is to diversify in other ways. Again, we do gate motors here, super profitable. We do low voltage intercoms, super profitable, okay? You want to get into the things that not everybody else is, find some other niches and start mining those customers. We'll talk about that or reach out in coaching and I'll teach you exactly how to mine those customers. Hope you got something out of this. Don't forget, take my marketing and paperwork course, www.the360electrician.com. We will see you on the next one.